Hey you. Yes, you. Did you hear? Skin is in. And those brows? These days, they're pretty much our new smile. And as such, they're always in need of some TLC. Welcome to the new and improved Finishing Touch Flawless Brows tutorial. Before we begin, let's chat a minute about the skin around your eyes. This is literally the most fragile skin on your face. Waxing, tweezing, and threading, these do a lot more than just remove hair at the root. It can cause premature aging of the eyes and brows. Pulling and burning may not be the best thing for your skin. Flawless Brows does none of that. It removes hair instantly and painlessly from the surface of the skin, and now with more pinpoint precision than ever before. So, whether you're into beautiful bushy brows or sleek shaped arches, Flawless Brows will remove as much or as little hair as you want and keep that delicate eye skin as youthful as you are. With our new and improved ultra precise 18 karat gold plated brow head. It's quick, easy, painless, and my secret weapon. Let's face it, brow styles are ever changing, and for the first time ever, you can now shape, create, and maintain your version of perfect brows with the new and improved Flawless Brows. So let me show you how easy it is to get perfect brows. The first step is inserting the battery, but don't worry, it's simple. Just remove the cap, holding the top and bottom of the unit, pull it apart to reveal the battery compartment. Pop in the AAA battery that's included with your device into the battery compartment. Match the plus on the battery with the plus on the compartment. Slide and snap the bottom casing into place and you're ready to go. Now, Finishing Touch Flawless Brows is for use on clean, dry skin. No creams, makeup, or moisturizing residue if you want the best performance. To get started, slide the switch to the on position. You'll see this light come on. That's how you know you'll never miss a hair. Choose the area you want to target and very gently hold your brow skin steady. Place the device on the area and move in small back and forth or circular motions to gently remove unwanted hair. In short, hold Flawless Brows like a pencil and use it like an eraser. As easy as 1, 2, 3, tamed, shaped brows instantly and painlessly. That's right, it's that easy. After each use, it's important to free the head of hair residue. But don't worry, that's super quick and easy too. Make sure the unit is off and then twist the head counterclockwise. Lift off the head to remove it. Use the cleaning brush provided with your device to wipe away the hair on the cutting surface and inside the head. After cleaning, replace the head back on the unit and twist clockwise until it locks into place. And you're done. If your device seems to be running slowly or dragging, no biggie. It may just need to be cleaned, or you may need to replace the battery. Well, that's it. The Flawless Brows really is a dream come true. No redness, irritation, and it's a quick and easy at-home solution to beautiful brows. And you can take it on the go. It's the all-new Ultra Precision Flawless Brows. Be you. Be flawless.